Hello again adventurers, welcome to the exciting video from Lanzarote Island, and today we're gonna be exploring the long lava caves and hiking to Corona volcano. Let's get into the vlog! Alright, over here we're at this huge opening in the ground called Hamel, which was created during the lava flow because there was probably a river flowing through here. This is near the famous Cueva de las Verdes, which is near here, but you have to pay a lot of money and wait for about 1 hour till you get in the cave. So just decided to come here, and you can see there's also some climbing routes here, so we're just gonna go inside and try to explore the cave. Alright guys, so we just came out from the cave over there. We went for about maybe a kilometer, like 1 hour one way, but it didn't go anywhere. And even on the map it says it's a false cave, so it doesn't lead anywhere. But on the other side of this canyon, here we have another cave. And this one, according to the map, should get out on the other side somewhere in 300 or 400 meters. So we're gonna see how it is. Alright, so this other cave also didn't go anywhere. There was only some small opening that went through other side, and then we're not sure if it's gonna get out somewhere or not. And we didn't have that much time before darkness, so we just decided to get back. And now we're just gonna walk over to the other side where we're supposed to get out from the cave. Alright, over here we can see the cave opening, so if we continued we could potentially get out there, but even if we got out here we would be stuck in this kind of hole here. You can see there are steep cliffs on all the sides, and the only easy route seems to be here, but even this seems to be pretty difficult without a rope. Alright, and over here we're the next day trying to get up the Corona volcano, which you can see right here in front of us. But we'll not follow the path that's on our maps because it seems to go too much around, so we just decided to go straight up. Alright, and in about half an hour we're already getting up on the caldera of the volcano with these amazing views of the crater. The Corona volcano is probably the highest volcano on the island, and you got amazing views around, but it was pretty windy, so I couldn't fly a drone here. In the fucking trap, We decided to be more adventurous and decided to walk around the caldera of the volcano, which seems to be like a pretty treacherous spot, but it's gonna be fun with lots of amazing views, and we should connect to the path on the other side. there is no clear path around the caldera of the volcano and the terrain is pretty rough to walk through. However, you have these amazing views of the east side of the volcano with the lava fields, and you can also see in the distance the Graciosa Island.
In the fucking trap,
Here I'm standing on the edge of the caldera with these steep cliffs going down to the bottom of the crater, so you have to be careful not to fall down. Alright, over here we got all the way down to the path where normal people go, and you can see over here how we crossed this steep terrain all the way around the caldera and all the way down the steep part down here. And as we were descending back down to our car, we had to go a few more kilometers around because there are barbed wire fences in our way around the properties where there was growing pretty much nothing, just the same as on the other side, just a few cactuses. So this typical Spanish greedy privado culture is even more prevalent in South America, where you have even more barbed wire fences, and the freedom of movement is pretty much non-existent there. It's one of the main reasons why we would not like to live in South America long term. On the way back to the car, we discovered another one of these big lava holes, and there was also a little cave that only went on for a few meters before finishing. So that's it for today's adventure. I hope you stay tuned for more adventures from Lanzarote, and as always, stay healthy
and stay adventurous.